Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So we are going to learn today session number 8. And everyone, when I am reading the textbooks, are you following the textbooks children? So please follow the textbook and try to read the lesson every day. Now yesterday we have finished only one question answer. What is a map? Write its users. And fill in the blanks, write answers, everything we have finished. Now second question I am going to write on the board. Open your classwork notebooks everyone and take the heading date, class, social subject, session number 8, everything heading you have to take down. Okay, write down with a neat handwriting. Now open the textbook and write down the second question. Name the oceans on the earth. So we have learned that there are 4 oceans on the earth and as well as 7 continents. Did you remember or you have forgot it? So, name the oceans on the earth. Name the oceans on the earth. So, what are the oceans that are present on the earth? We have to name them. So, there are only 4 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. So write down with a neat handwriting. The Pacific Ocean. You have to read along with me. P-A-C-E-F-I-C, Pacific, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Okay. The Atlantic Ocean. Are you reading along with me? The A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C, Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. Next, the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Next, the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. Now write down everyone. Name the oceans on the earth. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. And among all this, Arctic Ocean is the smallest and the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. Okay, right? So this is your second question. Now next, we'll write the third question. What are the 4 main directions? How are they shown on a map? Have a close look. Next question. Name the oceans on the earth. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. I hope you have written. Now we'll go to the next question. Alright, second question. What are the 4 main directions? So this is question number 3. What are the 4 main directions? What are the 4 main directions? And how are they shown on a map? How are they shown on a map? This is the question for you. Now write down the answer. So east, west, north, south are the 4 main directions. Okay. So how are they shown on the map? I'll write on the board. Note it down. East, west, north, south are the 4 main directions. Okay. How are they shown on a map? With the help of a arrow mark, they'll show the directions. And the upper end of the map shows the north, while the lower end always shows the south. So it is very big to write for you. in the answer. So you'll do one thing. You make it into short, okay? The upper end of a map shows north, while lower end shows south. Okay. On the right is east, and on the left is west. And while the west is on the left. Here once again I'll read the question one. Just have a look. What are the four main directions? How are they useful? And how are they shown on a map? East, west, north, south are the four main directions. The upper end of a map shows north, while lower end shows south. On the right is east, and while the west is on the left. Are you note down, children? This is WHILE, while. Okay. Next, fourth question. Name the 7 continents. Come on, right answer. Asia. So like this you have to write. Don't put commas and write like here. Just look at the board. How am I writing? In this way you have to write. Okay. Asia, Africa, South America, North America, South America, North America. Okay. Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, have a look once again. Name the 7 continents. Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. I hope you have learned all these spellings earlier itself, right? Now, we'll go for the next question. What does a globe show? Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Now write the next question. What does a globe show? What does a globe show, children? Only colors? No. It shows the all countries as well as water bodies, hills, mountains, everything it will show, right? So now we'll write the next question. What does a globe show? What does a globe show? It shows us that different countries, cities, mountains, seas, oceans, and other features. Otherwise write mountains and seas and oceans. It shows us the different countries, cities, mountains, seas and oceans. This is all for you now, ma. We have finished. This is all for now. We have finished the chapter as well as the bit paper, question answer, everything we have finished from this lesson. Now go through the lesson number 1 and 2 and learn all the bits. Now today's homework is that write second question and third question one time. Name the oceans on the earth and what are the 4 main directions, how are they shown on a map. So these 2 question answers you have to learn and write one time your homework neatly. Please mention your name while you are sending the homework. Some of you are not doing it. Okay. Have a close look. Thank you for today's class. Read when you are writing. Thank you, children.